get a seaplane ride and then get dropped off on your boat. To show you guys how to park up a boat the right way when you come out to the island. Most people think that the right way of parking your boat is just beaching it, and that is the wrong way. That is the annoying way, because all the waves crashing into your boat will always get your boat sideways, like that center console is right there. You see how that center console is all sideways and stuff? Also, a boat like this with a low transom, you can't beach it up onto the sand because all the water is gonna come in. So I'm gonna show you guys very quick how I beach up my boat when I come out to the sandbar, or when I come out to the island. I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'm gonna point the engine towards the island, and once I feel I'm in a safe distance, I'm gonna drop it and continue going back towards the island. The key is to have your hand on your key switch, because once you get too close, you gotta cut your engine. You don't want to mess up your prop. That's how you show up to the island in style, alright? Anybody who sees you show up like this is gonna think you know what you're doing. And I don't know what I'm doing, but it looks like I know what I'm doing. Look, the seaplane's about to take off. There he goes. So yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but we're here in Picnic Island. Just found a bag. Empty bag. Welcome to Miami. Avenidos a Miami. What a beautiful day, guys. Look at this water. It's perfect. It's a little chilly in the morning, but it's a good 80 degrees right now. 85 degrees easy. Drop a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more of these island tours. And all of you guys that are subscribed, I appreciate you. Appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the comments. I read every single one of them. This is gonna be a busy weekend. You guys are not gonna want to miss it. It's the Tampa Bay poker runs this weekend, and we're taking a 38 Donzi ZF, not the black one, but the blue one. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow morning, and we're gonna head towards Tampa. So stay tuned for that one. I know a lot of you Go Fast guys are gonna enjoy the content of this weekend.